Hi there. Welcome back to KGS Business Consultants. I am your host, Dimple Patel. If you're here, you've probably been thinking about starting your dream business in the US and using the E-2 visa to make it happen. Well, you're in the right place. In episode 1, we talked about the basics of the E-2 visa, what it is and how it works. Today, we're diving deeper into the specific requirements you need to meet to qualify for this life-changing opportunity. I'll keep it simple and easy to follow because, let's face it, immigration can get overwhelming. But don't worry, that's where I come in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's required to apply for the E-2 visa. And if you're ready to take the next step, I'll show you how I can help you find the right business fit and navigate the entire process. What are the E-2 visa requirements? All right, I'm going to break this down into 5 key requirements for the E-2 visa. Think of this as your roadmap to eligibility. Number 1, you must be a citizen of a treaty country. The E-2 visa is only available to citizens of countries that have an active Treaty of Commerce and Navigation with the United States. There are over 70 countries on this list, including Canada, Germany, Netherlands, Australia, Japan, and many more. If your country isn't on the list, don't give it up just yet. There are creative solutions for non-treaty country nationals, and I'm happy to discuss those with you. Number 2, you must make a substantial investment. This is one of the most important requirements. A substantial investment means you're putting enough money into the business to make it operational and likely to succeed. The exact amount varies depending on the type of business, but generally, the more significant the investment, the stronger your case. For example, opening a small cafe might require an investment of $100,000, while starting a larger enterprise like a manufacturing company might need more. The key is that your investment must match the needs of your business. Number 3, the investment must be at risk. Your money just can't sit in a bank account. It needs to be actively spent or committed to the business. Think rent, equipment, inventory, or employee salaries. The US government wants to see that you're serious about the business and that your investment is tied to its success. Number 4, you must own or control the business. To qualify, you need to own at least 50% of the business or have operational control through a managerial position. This shows that you're actively involved in running the business, not just a passive investor. Number 5, the business must be active and real. The business must be a legit, active enterprise generating goods or services. Shell companies or speculative investments won't cut it. The government wants to see that your business will contribute to the US economy and create jobs. Now, let's talk about what does substantial investment really mean? How much is substantial? Here's the truth, there's no magic number. The investment amount depends on the type of business you're running. A small service-based business might need less capital, while a larger business like a manufacturing plant will require significantly more. But here's the good news, you don't have to figure this out alone. Part of what I do as a franchise consultant is help you find the right business that aligns with your budget and investment goals while meeting E-2 visa requirements. I'll guide you through the process so you're confident in your investment strategy. Now, what counts as at risk? What does it mean for your money to be at risk? Essentially, this means your investment must be tied to the business in a way that shows you're committed to making it work. And this can include purchasing equipment or inventory, signing a lease for a business location, paying upfront expenses like permits or licenses. But don't worry, I'll help you figure out how to allocate your funds effectively so they meet the at-risk requirements while setting your business up for success. What kind of businesses qualify? The E-2 visa allows for a wide range of businesses as long as they're legal and active. Some popular options include franchises. These are great because they come with built-in support and a proven track record. Retail or hospitality businesses like cafes and restaurants, service-based businesses such as cleaning or landscaping, tech startups or consulting firm. My job is to help you find a business that not only meets E-2 requirements but also aligns with your personal goals and interests. Whether you're dreaming of serving the best coffee in town or running a thriving tech company, I'll guide you every step of the way. What about your family? One of the best things about the E-2 visa is that it's not just for you, it's for your family too. Your spouse can apply for work authorization, giving them the freedom to pursue their own career in the US, and your children under the age of 21 can live and study in the US, giving them access to excellent educational opportunities. It's not just about starting a business, it's about creating a new life for your entire family. Now, before we wrap up, I want to talk about a few common mistakes people make when applying for the E-2 visa. Number 1, insufficient investment. If your investment doesn't meet the substantial requirement, your application could be denied. Number 2, lack of a clear business plan. A detailed, well thought out business plan is critical to show that your business is viable. Number 3, passive ownership. Remember, you need to actively manage the business. You can't just invest and walk away. Avoiding these pitfalls can make all the difference, and that's where my expertise come in. I'll help you navigate these challenges and set you up for success. So, my friends, there you have it, a complete guide to E-2 visa requirements. I hope this breakdown has made the process feel a little less overwhelming and a lot more exciting. If you're feeling inspired but not sure where to start, that's exactly where I come in. As a franchise consultant, I specialize in helping people like you find the right business fit, craft a solid investment plan, and navigate the E-2 visa process from start to finish. My goal is to make sure this journey is simple, stress-free, and tailored just for you. If you're ready to take the next step or have questions, reach out to me directly. My contact details are in the description box below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might be dreaming of starting their own business in the US. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in episode 3.